Hi guys, you are probably here because you are looking for an in-depth and honest survey review, so you are in the right place. In this survey review, we are gonna run through exactly what is survey, how does survey work, how much does survey pay, is it legit or is it one of those scam sites to stay away from, and what is my advice. This way you could decide if this website is worth joining. So if you are interested, keep watching, and as always, smash that like button. Obviously it helps the algorithm. Thank you. Now, if you don't know what Surveya is, launched in 2014, it's a consumer panel website that pays you for filling surveys. You can also do panels for many unreleased products or websites on this site. So your feedback plays an important role for determining future products. In return, you will receive various rewards for your time and effort. Like other survey sites, Surveya is simple to use. All you need to do is register for a free account, answer a few demographic questions, and start taking surveys. After setting up your account, you can log into your account's dashboard to see your surveys. Each survey option also informs you of the estimated time it will take for each survey. With a lot of these surveys, you will see them available in your dashboard, but you won't actually be able to qualify for a lot of them. Nonetheless, Surveya will start sending you surveys that match your profile via email. You can also access the surveys on your dashboard too. You are required to complete these surveys by answering simple questions about various products and services. So how much can you make from Surveya? With most surveys taking 1 to 45 minutes to complete, you can earn between 50 cents to $2 depending on the duration and length. The amount of money you can earn with Surveya depends on the number of surveys that you can complete at any given period. In essence, the more surveys you take, the higher your earnings. But you must also factor in that you will not qualify for all surveys either. This being the case, then the fact that each survey pays between 50 cents to $2, I would say the average amount that you can earn in any given month is between $0 up to 5, 6, $7. You can make a withdrawal request as soon as you meet the minimum payout requirement. And there are two main options. The first is just cash, and you withdraw either through PayPal, Skrill, MoneyGram, or Western Union. I think PayPal is probably the simplest for cash. And the second option is Amazon gift cards. There is a payment threshold through Redeemer Awards, but it varies by country and type of reward. So Amazon is the lowest, it's around a $10 threshold. And then PayPal, the threshold is $20. And then for the other three, the Skrill, MoneyGram, and Western Union, it's about 50 on average. They have some complaints. Payments delays, it can take over 30 days to receive your rewards. Low income potential, referral program doesn't offer great incentives. Is Surveya legit? Let's see some reviews. At the time of recording this video, on Trustpilot, Surveya scores an average 4.6 out of 5. It's fair to say that there are mixed reviews from users about Surveya, but it seems that the positive comments are more than the negative. Some users are happy with their experience and their earnings and have earned from the site for many years, whereas others complain about the lack of available jobs and that limits what they can earn. Others complain about getting disqualified after completing surveys. Unfortunately, however, this is only a small side income opportunity. You will not be able to create a full-time income or get rich from this site. Surveya isn't a bad site, but it's not a good site either. It's not the best way to work online, but you can test out for yourself. My advice is that start learning new things and keep yourself updated. If they work, that is good for you. If you fail, then learn from it and never repeat the mistake. So save your time or invest it to learn something new so that you can create your own online business. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully this video helped you out. You can give me a like and bye bye.